safari jump. Holy, my dude, I could have just died. Holy. Holy, we're stuck out here. The trail is flooded. Holy mackerel. Our trail is blocked off because of this. I don't know how. Might as well kick back some beers then. Load a bowl. These people almost got hit. So, fun day in Payson. No, don't think so. Fell into a cactus. My up. We're doing a rescue. Trying to rescue this guy and his 1-month-old baby. There's the son over there and the mom's in the water. Rescue. Finally got rescuers on site. They lost 10 people.
They're literally doing nothing. They're scared to get in the water.
They're just standing. Levi! What up? Cheers. Oh, you ain't got no beer. Okay. Holy.